Okay, hello, I'm Frank. These are all folks that have come and helped me up here at St. John's Church in Chambersburg, Pennsylvania to do some line dancing. What we're going to do now is the electric slide. A little history of the electric slide. It came out in the 90s and it was a great carry-on, basically of disco stuff from the 70s and the early 80s. So let's just go over it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to do a grapevine to the right and to the left. And it looks like this. Right, left, touch, left, right, left. Then we go back, right, left, right, touch. Then we go step, touch, back, touch, and step, skip. Right, left, right, touch. Now, you need to do the skip. That skip movement, just kind of scuff your foot because it keeps you in time with the music. All right, we're going to show you all four walls this time. Here we go to the right. Right, left, touch, left, left. Go back. Right, left, touch, step, touch, back, touch, step, skip, right, left, touch, left, left. Go back. 1, 2, 3, touch, step, touch, back, touch, step, skip, right, left, to the left, left, go back, touch, step, touch, back, touch, step, skip, right, to the left, left, go back, right, touch, step, touch, back, touch, step, skip, right, touch. That is the electric slide.